Hey, yeah, madam.
Lloyd here, Seattle Tree Care.
Today we're gonna do a couple removals and a little bit of pruning. All right, so we're gonna back our bucket truck down into the driveway here. Start on this birch tree, which looks like that top is compromised somewhat. And flop this plum over and chip that up as well.
Okay, awesome. Sounds good.
Another thing we're gonna be doing today is getting rid of this birch tree. If you look at the top, you can see it's been afflicted with the bronze birch borer. We'll be using the bucket truck to remove this today, just since we have a brand new fence right there and it's near a house. So we put the outriggers down on the truck here in the driveway, and they're just going to keep the bucket truck a little more stable, and then we have the pads down underneath them to keep from damaging the concrete or any sort of terrain.
So, I am about to remove this walnut tree. We've got a good drop zone. I'm not too worried about breaking anything here, so we're not going to protect anything.
So today we're going to be taking out this plum tree. As you can see, it suffered extensive damage either from being overextended and snow or something caused the lead to fall out. And we got a little bit of protection down and then a little bit of insurance for the direction with a few of us yanking on the rope there. So now that the birch tree is gone, we're going to grind out this stump just to keep it from re-sprouting, and maybe the client wants to replant something there. For that, we're going to use our red roo here, our Australian stump grinder, and that's just going to obliterate that stump. It's able to get up and down on this landscaping wall here, and that's one of the advantages of it. It has a drive for each wheel, so we're able to maneuver it into tight spaces. It'll fit through a specific gate size, and just a great versatile stump grinder for small, hard to reach places. As you can see, we put up a lot of protection. That's sort of the name of the game with stump grinding. Lots of chunks can go flying, so we don't want to damage that new fence or break any windows. Well, stump got all ground out. We're just raking the grindings back into place, and that's going to make a nice natural mulch. Hey, I think we're all finished up here.
Awesome.
You know, I don't even remember what tree.
I know. I looked in the back and
Silverbird.
was like, it's like there was never a tree here. It's
Yeah.
so strange.
And then same thing with the plum over here.
Okay.
So yeah, much different than when we got here.
Yes.
Yeah, around back the walnut tree, out of your way.
So it was a walnut.
Yeah.
Are we good?
Yeah. It looks
happy?
great. I'm super happy.
All right, we got all the trees down. We got all the trees pruned. Nothing broken, no one injured. So we're gonna head out and then do it all again tomorrow.
Happy client, happy us. Let's go.